In this video, I will tell you how to create video from Google LM. So very simple. And first choose your video. So I go to YouTube and find podcast, any movie, summarize. So choose your recording, which topic for make you video. So I choose a video. After that, tell you. So I choose this video in Hindi, but ये 5 years ago a teacher video. So I three dot click here, click and share option, then copy link and go to notebook LM. So from restart go notebook LM and tab, then after here click and find notebook LM. This is a notebook LM. And open notebook LM. This is a structure and this is a page. So first create new, click here. After that add sources. So I sources YouTube website. So I YouTube connected a link. This is a link, then insert and this video analysis. Okay, so few second wait. So summarize this video and sources 1 2 3 add. So I want a source only, so create a video. So first open and first click video explainer. This is the pop-up option show you. So cinematic explainer short. So I format this the cinematic. Okay, and sources my this is a here, this sources for video and cinematic I make and solve what should the video focus on. So cosmic and divine like there's a spiritual. Okay, and sole purpose and custom. You can write here your video for creation and visualization. Okay, so I preset choose this is a divine and then insert. So few minutes wait, my video generated here. You can see here generating cinematic video. So something save in from 8 minute wait. After that your video ready. You can see this video is ready. So I play this video here, click and first download.
Look up at the night sky.
This video first download here and choose folder and download, and my video is download. Real video to this is here. This video is explainer only. Okay, only explainer video, but I created the video is this is here. So totally change this video. Okay guys, I play this video. You can see
Look
this
up at the
video.
night sky, the galaxies, the planetary systems, the physical, a literal and immediate learning how to wake up. It is a mechanical
खाना खाओ तो
blueprint of
गैस,
the messengers.
कुछ अलग खाओ तो एसिडिटी,
is
कभी
called the
कॉन्स्टिपेशन, कभी पेट
finite,
खराब, और ये
exhausted
रोज
of
का
their
रूटीन
ability.
बन गया है। इतना कि अब तो ये चीज नॉर्मल लगने लगी है। लेकिन एक चीज नोटिस करना,
कृष्ण कन्हैया
explainer video from create this video. So amazing video. This is video is totally changed guys, totally changed.
Look up at
so
the night
easily
sky,
you create
the galaxies, the
notebook
planetary
LM
systems, the physical
from video.
reality you literal
So
divine
this way
dream
use.
universe.
So
And
in this
within
video
this dream, a
informative like.
clock is constantly
So
ticking.
my
Right
video
now, we are
and
sitting deep
subscribe
in the
channel.
28th Kali Yuga, playing out our temporary roles while